Welcome to the Australian National Botanic Gardens in Canberra and the plants of the flower, fruit and foliage of the 5th of May 2021.
Swainsona formosa, or Sturt's desert pea, is in a pot and has pale green leaves and bright red pea flowers with shiny black centres or bosses. This iconic plant, the floral emblem of South Australia, is named for the English botanist Isaac Swainson and is native to all Australian states except Victoria.
Also in a pot is Prostanthera densa, or villous mint bush, a stiff, angular plant with pale green leaves and mauve flowers with orange markings. This plant is listed as vulnerable and is native to coastal New South Wales, north and south of Sydney.
Epacris impressa, or common heath, is a straggly bush with bright red tubular flowers. The pink-flowered form is often referred to as pink heath and is the floral emblem of the state of Victoria. This plant is found in southern New South Wales, Victoria, South Australia and throughout Tasmania.
Astralasia lemon essence is a compact shrub with masses of yellow star flowers. This plant was developed at the ANBG.
Crowia, little rock star, is a compact form of Crowia, reaching only 60 to 80 centimetres high, from a seedling variant growing at the ANBG. This plant has many pink star flowers.
Actinotus helianthi, or flannel flower, has white star flowers with yellow-gray centers and silver-gray divided foliage. These plants are native to the coastal and mountains of New South Wales and southern Queensland.
Eremophila nivea is a small shrub with mauve tubular flowers and striking silver-grey foliage covered in hairs. This plant is native to the southern west coast of Western Australia. And here's a kookaburra looking for a meal.
Acroncia littoralis is an endangered small tree that has shiny leaves and strongly scented greenish cream flowers. The scented Acronychia, or beech Acronychia, is native to the northeastern coastal New South Wales and a few areas in adjacent Queensland.
Hibiscus divaricatus has pure yellow flowers, contrasting with maroon stamens on a straggly bush. This hibiscus is found in Queensland, the Northern Territory, and in northern parts of Western Australia. Usually a shrub, this plant can reach the size of a small tree, up to 5 metres tall.
Alocasia brisbanensis, or spoon lily, or conjovoy, has large veined leaves. This plant can grow up to 1.5 meters tall and is found in rainforests of eastern mainland Australia.
Lepidozamia perovskiana, or pineapple zamia, has long arching stems of shiny dark green foliage. This palm-like cycad is native to the wet open forests of southeastern Queensland and northeastern New South Wales. These plants do not produce flowers, but have cones on separate female and male plants.
Backhausia citriodora, or lemon ironwood, is a small tree with shiny green leaves and large, white, fluffy heads of flower. This plant is endemic to the tropical rainforest areas of Queensland between Brisbane and Mackay. The leaves of this plant are strongly lemon-scented.
Banksia aquilonia is a tree to 8 metres tall, with long green leaves and tan young flowers that develop into pale yellow brushes. This plant is native to northern coastal Queensland.
Solanum viridifolium, nightshade, or boulelli, has shiny green leaves and mauve flowers with prominent yellow anthers. This plant is native to the eastern coast of Queensland, continuing into southern New Guinea.
Banksia oblongifolia is a small shrub with oblong leaves and yellow flowers. This plant grows along the eastern coast of Queensland and New South Wales between Bundaberg and Ulladulla.